Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to do the baby shark dance. Now the baby shark song is absolutely huge, and if you want to listen to it and do the dance, this is the video for you, because if you're listening to it and you want to dance with it, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Let's get right into it. There are a few different sections and I'll be outlining each one individually. Now it starts off with the baby shark. Now for all of these, you're going to sort of be representing a shark, but using different movements and different parts of your body and so forth. So for the baby shark, what you want to do is you want to get your index finger and your thumb, and you want to just bring them together like this. So it's going to look something like this. You're going to bring one hand over and you're going to go like that, okay? Then you're going to do the other side. And I just like to do it like this. You're going to count to 4 on each side. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and so forth. So for baby shark, just like that, index finger and thumb. It's just like a little shark's mouth, like a baby shark's mouth. Now the next one is actually going to be mommy shark. Now mommy shark is a little bit bigger. Now what you have to do for mommy shark, for the mommy shark part of the dance, get your hands like this. Bring your wrists together like that, and just like that. Mommy shark, just like that. Once again, we're going to count 4 times on each side. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And so forth. So for mommy shark, a little bit bigger. And I'll go over everything at the end. I'll recap all of the movements at the end. Next up is daddy shark. Now daddy shark is actually quite large. If you take a look right here, I have one hand out like this. Well, we'll do it like this. One hand out, another hand like this. And daddy shark is like that. Once again, I like to do it 4 beats on each side. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now if you can actually start with your arms closer together, instead of going like this, you start with your arms closer together, it actually just makes it look a lot more like an actual shark. You're representing an actual shark. Next up is actually going to be grandma shark. Good old grandma shark. Now for grandma and grandpa, you're going to be curling your fingers. So for grandma shark, we're going to do what we did similar to mommy shark, which was like this, right? But instead of like this, we're curling our fingers, okay? Sort of just like that. You're going to curl your fingers, and grandma shark is like that, as you can see right there. Once again, 4 beats on each side. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I mean, the number of times on each side isn't as crucial. It's more the hand movements, but I just like to stick to 4 and 4. It just makes it easier to stay on beat with the song. Next up is grandpa shark. Big old grandpa shark. Similar to daddy shark, but also like a hybrid with grandma shark. We're going to curl the fingers. Big open mouth movements like that. This is grandpa shark. Once again, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's just big opening, but with your fingers curled in, right? Very simple. Now once again, I'll recap everything towards the end, okay? Very, very simple. And a little bit of a bonus tip towards the end of the video as well. Now next up, we've gone through all of the sharks. We've gone through the whole shark family, okay? Next up is Let's Go Hunt. For the part of the song that says Let's Go Hunt, what you're going to do is you're going to put your hands together over your head like a shark, like this. And what you're going to do is basically going to go side to side like that. Side to side. So I like to just count 4 beats like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just like that. That's for the Let's Go Hunt part. Now, next up is Run Away. When it gets to the part of the song where it's going run away, what you want to do is you want to basically fake run and swim, because you're not running, you're in the water, right? You're a shark. So let's go. We're running away. Running away. This way, you can go to one side of the frame, and then you're running away. The other way. Fake run and swim. Very, very simple. The last part of the song is Safe at Last. When you get to the part where it talks about being safe at last, it's actually a 2-part movement, okay? And the 2-part movement is, the first part is safe at last. Like, we're safe. Ah, we're safe. And then, whew, we're safe. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Just like that. And then again, ah, safe at last. Ah, other side, safe at last. So you're going to alternate. One side, and then the other side, just like that. Now here's your bonus tip, and then I'll recap everything. Your bonus tip is you have to master the beat of the song. That's why I'm telling you to do it, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The majority of the songs that we listen to follow this 4/4 time, where it just goes 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you can master the beat of the song, it'll be much easier for you to actually do the dance on beat. You won't be falling behind. You'll know exactly what to do. So master the beat of the song. Now let's go over all of them really quickly as a quick little recap. I recommend that you watch this portion simply because it's going to go over everything for you. It's going to sum it up. So Baby Shark, just like that. Thumb and index finger going in and out, okay? Mommy Shark, little bit bigger. Wrists together, in and out, flapping your hands like that. Daddy Shark, bigger mouth, just like that. Daddy Shark is like this. Grandma Shark, similar to Mommy, but we're going to curl our fingers, just like that. Grandpa Shark, keep your fingers curled, but bigger, just like that. So Grandpa Shark is bigger, okay? Let's go hunt, side to side, hands over your head, so that you look like a shark, side to side, so that you're acting like a shark. Run away, running, and swimming. Fake running and swimming. Safe at last is a ah, and then wiping the sweat. Ah, wiping the sweat. And that's basically it. That is how to do the Baby Shark dance. The Baby Shark song is an awesome song, and it has a cool dance with it. And if you're doing the song, if you're listening to the song and you want to dance along with it, whether it's by yourself or, along with your kids as a little activity with your children, whatever the case is, this video will help you dance to the song by learning the dance. If you like the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. I would love to know what you think. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.